What up, squad? So y'all, I got some good news and then I also got some bad news when it comes to the Galaxy Watch 4. Now, when it comes to the good news, Google Assistant will be coming to the Galaxy Watch 4, but there's some bad news that come along with that, y'all. Let's break it all the way down. So y'all, Google announced that a brand new update is gonna be coming to the Galaxy Watch 4 here really soon with some brand new features within the health app, some new watch faces, and even some new improved setup processes, which I'm actually hoping they fix the one main thing of being able to connect this watch here to multiple phones or just Android devices and switch between them without having to really wipe this whole watch completely before setting it up on a brand new phone. I promise y'all it's the most annoying thing ever. But the main thing that's gonna be coming, y'all, is Google Assistant. But there's just one thing I gotta tell y'all, and before I give y'all the inside scoop on that, y'all know the rules by now, man. Comment down below how many likes is on this video at the time of you guys are watching it, and let's go ahead and run this bad boy up like we did on the last one. You know, let's get to it. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and break everything down and let y'all know what's happening in Galaxy Watch 4 land. Now let's go ahead and start with the update with the health app first. Now there is a feature that is coming, y'all, that is kind of cool and it's kind of weird at the same time, and it's called sleep coaching. So what this does, y'all, is gonna monitor your sleep patterns for an entire week and then assign you guys a sleep animal that will match you up to your sleeping habits. Now, these animals, y'all, are gonna range from lions, deer, walrus, sharks, alligators, and even a hedgehog for that matter. Now, it hasn't actually been confirmed what these animal types is actually gonna mean, but I'm figuring it's gonna probably mean something like, you know, there's gonna be a sign like health wise, whether it's like really good to like really bad, a type of thing like that. So I'm assuming like certain animals tied to like really good sleep and then certain animals tied to like really bad sleeping. That's just my guess. Now, also within this 1 week sleeping program, it's also going to include like missions for you guys to be able to complete. It's going to provide you guys some related articles to improve your sleep patterns and even some meditation guidance, all set to improve on the sleep that you guys are getting. Now, this is all actually set to be available in tomorrow's update on February 9th, 2022. Now, also staying on the health side of things, the body composition feature is also getting an update that's going to link to Chris Hemsworth. Yes, you heard that right. Mr. Thor himself. He has a subscription-based fitness service that's going to provide you guys with further deep body composition insights if that's something you guys are actually interested in. So there's that. Now, before we actually get into the bad news when it comes to Google Assistant on this watch, now there's also going to be some new watch bands as well as some straps that's going to be coming to the sports side, the fabric bands, as well as some link bracelets. And also along with that is going to be some new watch faces as well. Now, with the new watch faces, there's going to be some new color ones that's going to be added that's going to match the actual watch straps, which is actually really dope. Now, y'all, when it comes to these watch bands, these are expected to go on sale in late February of this month. So be on the lookout for that because I will be picking them bad boys up. Now, real quick, y'all, we got to talk about is Google Assistant. Since I told y'all there was some good news and then there's some bad news. Now, let's go ahead and start with the good news first and, you know, be positive. Well, y'all, it is official. Samsung is finally giving us Google Assistant. Now, that's the good news, right? Because, you know, we've all been waiting on getting this natively. But again, there's some bad news with this. Well, the bad news is, y'all, Samsung only mentioned that it will be available in coming months. So there has yet to really be any dates actually set on when this is actually coming, which to me, y'all, I'm be honest, is kind of whack because it's now been over 6 months since this watch here has actually come out and all we getting is coming months instead of like an official date. But lucky for y'all, man, I did a video right here on the screen that y'all can check out and you can go there and watch it, and I show you guys how to get Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 4 as well as your Watch 4 Classic like right now. Now, down below, I'll have 2 links for you guys down below. The first link is going to be a file that you guys are going to need in that video, so go ahead and download that. And then the second video is going to show you guys step by step exactly how you guys can install it. See, you know, y'all welcome. See, I don't really want the squad to have to wait. You can just get it now. Just start enjoying it right now, man. And, you know, have some fun with that. I'll see y'all over there, man. Squad.